Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get this eye look using Q-tip. I would be using two Q-tips, one to pack matte eyeshadow and one to pack shimmery eyeshadows. They are foiled from Swiss Beauty. If you're interested in knowing how to get this beautiful eye look, then please continue watching this tutorial. As my makeup palette, I'm using a very small palette from Swiss Beauty and the palette is this one. I would be picking black eyeshadow. From one side of the Q-tip, I'm packing it on my outer V. Cover your outer V using black eyeshadow. And next I would be using the other side of the same Q-tip to pack brown eyeshadow. Pick this from the palette and begin applying to create smokiness on your crease. Blend it well with the black eyeshadow and begin applying on the crease. Hold the Q-tip extremely light. For smokiness to appear, take very less amount of eyeshadow in the Q-tip. When applying, don't pack very huge amount, don't deposit a very huge amount. Next, I'm using this foil from Swiss Beauty, a very beautiful golden foil. I'm packing it on my eye mid. I'm using a fresh Q-tip to pack shimmery eyeshadows. Pull it towards the outer V to blend it with the outer V eyeshadow. Next I would be using a silver foil and applying it on the remaining space here. Turn the Q-tip and use the other side of the Q-tip. Blend both the foil extremely well, pushing them towards each other. Next I'm applying winged eyeliner. I'm using eyeliner from Insight. You'll find links to all the products used here in the tutorial in description box below. Next I'm creating pointed inner corner. This is a fake point. This shapes your eye and your eye look seems very beautiful after creating pointed inner corner. After coating kajal on my waterline, I would be smudging it on my lower lash line using Q-tip back again. Next I'm coating mascara on my eyelashes. Move the wand in upward direction 4 to 5 times, and when you're applying on your lower lashes, hold the wand vertically and use the tip of the wand to apply mascara on your lower lashes, and it's done. This is the final look. If you like this eyeshadow tutorial, then please hit the subscribe button for more such tutorials. If you have any doubts, please put them down in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.